Welcome to a journey into the future of construction, where innovation meets practicality. We're living in an era where technology is disrupting every sector, and construction is no exception. What was once considered impossible or impractical is now becoming the new norm in the industry. From Lego-inspired concrete blocks to robot-assisted construction, we're witnessing a transformative phase that's reshaping the way we construct and design buildings. In this video, we're going to explore 10 pioneering construction technologies that have reached an unprecedented level of sophistication and practicality. These cutting-edge technologies are changing the landscape of construction and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, let's dive in. Starting at number 10 with a concept that's as fun as it is practical: concrete Lego. Number 10, concrete Lego. In the realm of construction, concrete Lego has gained a new level of prominence due to its novel approach to construction, shaping the concrete in blocks similar to the popular children's toy Lego. This method allows rapid, simplified construction. The concrete blocks interlock, creating a strong, unified structure without the use of traditional mortar. Apart from its easy and quick assembly, concrete Lego also offers a high degree of customizability, allowing construction companies to create unique and unconventional designs. The efficiency of concrete Lego can potentially reduce construction timelines, offering significant cost savings while ensuring the building's stability and durability. Number 9. Stonesize. Stonesize, a revolutionizing product in the construction industry, has brought stone usage to a new level. It uses an ultra-thin, lightweight, and large-format stone panel, overcoming the limitations traditionally associated with the use of stone in construction. This makes it possible to clad large areas with natural stone, providing a unique aesthetic appeal without the weight and installation constraints of traditional stone materials. Beyond the aesthetic, Stonesize also introduces enhanced durability and resistance, making the structures weatherproof and ensuring longevity. Number 8. Intershelter Dome. As an answer to creating sturdy and affordable housing in diverse environments, the Intershelter Dome has proven to be a revolutionary concept. These domes, made of high-quality, durable, and weather-resistant polyurethane, offer a safe, spacious living environment that can be assembled quickly and easily, without the need for professional builders. These portable and easily erected structures have found use in disaster-stricken areas, providing immediate shelter to those in need, and in extreme climates where conventional building methods fail. Their inherent strength and resilience, coupled with the ease of construction, has pushed the boundaries of modern construction methodologies. Number 7. ISOWOOL. A groundbreaking product in the construction insulation industry, ISOWOOL has transformed how buildings are insulated, reaching an advanced level of thermal efficiency. It's a highly flexible, mineral, wool-based insulation material that's both environmentally friendly and fire-resistant. Apart from providing excellent thermal and acoustic insulation, its fire-resistant properties contribute significantly to building safety. With the increasing global emphasis on energy efficiency, ISOWOOL has become a preferred choice for architects and construction engineers for building comfortable, safe, and energy-efficient structures. Number 6. Screed Buddy. The Screed Buddy system has greatly simplified the screeding process in construction. It utilizes a unique leveling tool that ensures consistent, flat, and smooth surfaces, dramatically reducing the time and effort required in manual screeding. The introduction of this automated system eliminates the need for multiple workers and significantly reduces the risk of human error, leading to a more precise and accurate finish. The efficiency and speed offered by Screed Buddy have made it an essential tool in modern construction sites. Number 5. WILORA. WILORA has taken the construction industry by storm with its innovative use of advanced robotics. Its technology focuses on performing complex tasks that usually require skilled labor, such as bricklaying, concrete dispensing, and plastering. By automating these tasks, WILORA reduces the demand for physical labor and increases construction speed and accuracy. Besides, WILORA's use of AI has also resulted in safer construction sites, reducing the risk of worker injuries. This blend of robotics and AI has enabled WILORA to redefine construction practices, ushering in a new era of automated building processes. Number 4. ArchLock. In terms of innovation in construction, ArchLock has changed the game with its unique building system. Inspired by traditional Roman arch techniques, ArchLock provides a modern twist by using precisely designed and machined stones that interlock to form a robust, self-supporting arch without the need for cement or steel reinforcements. The system's inherent strength and aesthetic appeal have found favor in various types of constructions, including bridges, vaults, and domes. Archlock's ingenious design has resulted in more efficient building practices while reviving the timeless elegance of arched-based structures. Number 3. BORJATHERM. BORJATHERM has emerged as a pioneer in the construction industry, offering a new breed of roofing tile that provides both aesthetic value and advanced thermal insulation. These tiles are made of a unique, innovative ceramic material that allows for superior thermal regulation, reducing the reliance on artificial heating or cooling systems, thereby saving energy. The elegance and tradition of ceramic roofing are fused with modern insulation technology, making BORJATHERM tiles an excellent choice for builders seeking energy efficiency without compromising on the aesthetic appeal of their structures. Number 2. Dock Edge Plus. Dock Edge Plus has taken the marine construction sector to a new level. Their innovative docking products ensure maximum durability and safety in challenging marine environments. Their patented easy installation process, along with advanced materials such as marine-grade aluminum and PVC, provides a superior alternative to traditional wooden docks. Dock Edge Plus products are resistant to the harsh effects of saltwater, sun, and extreme weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting and cost-effective solutions. These advancements in marine dock technology have led to more sustainable, safer, and visually appealing docks. Number 1. PERI VARIOKIT. As a versatile and efficient solution for engineering construction, PERI VARIOKIT has redefined the realm of complex structural projects. Its system of pre-engineered modular components allows for rapid, efficient assembly and disassembly, reducing the time and costs associated with bespoke solutions. This system can adapt to various geometries and loads, enabling it to accommodate a wide range of construction projects, from bridges and tunnels to high-rise buildings. The PERI VARIOKIT's flexibility and adaptability have made it an invaluable tool for civil engineers, promoting efficiency and precision in structural design. And there you have it. The top 10 construction technologies that have taken the industry to a new peak. These trailblazing innovations are redefining how we approach construction, promising more efficient, safe, and sustainable building practices, from the precise adaptation of the PERI VARIOKIT to the aesthetic brilliance of BORJATHERM tiles. These advancements are making construction more environmentally friendly, cost-effective, and even exciting. As we look towards the future, it's technologies like these that will lead the way, shaping the skylines of tomorrow and improving the quality of life for millions around the world. It's an exciting time to be a part of the construction industry, and we can't wait to see what innovations lie just around the corner. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the vanguard of construction technology. Stay tuned for more explorations into the fascinating world of cutting-edge tech.